Let's go travel. This is a mini album with a travel theme with room for travel memorabilia. Hi everyone, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums, and I want to show you what I made using a 9x5 mini album. Now I've already got on my channel a video from a long time ago. I just used my own tutorial and used some paper that I had had in my stash to make a really bright, fun travel album. I used the Adventurous paper collection from Paige Evans. I had had this one that I got from Office Supply, or it might have even been American Crafts, their vault sale. And I liked it so much that I had gotten another pad. And I got some stickers and chipboard elements and all sorts of fun things. So I've already made a mini album using this same paper collection, but I wanted to make something else using what was left. And I'm almost down to just maybe 3 12x12 sheets and lots of scraps, which over the next couple of months I will be using. I'm not gonna worry about attacking it right now, but I will be using the scraps and showing you what I made with this gorgeous Paige Evans Adventurous paper collection. So on the front cover, I have a couple of papers layered. I have this fun flower in the dark blue and the beautiful butterflies on that. This was a tag. I know it, well, I'm pretty sure it was Paige Evans, but I don't think it was from the Adventurous collection, but I thought it was perfect for the cover. I had these puffy words. I think let's go was one and travel was another, and I decided to add it together to let's go travel. Now this is a chipboard element I had to cut so it would fit on here, and I added the double-decker bus from sticker sheet, the bicycle, and the airplane from the puffy stickers. I also at the same time had picked up some pom-poms and just decided to make this really fun and bright and colorful. Now again, I have made this mini album before. This is a 9x5 mini album. The pages are 8.5 by 4 3/4. I added some extra elements that I had in my stash. For instance, I used some dies to add some flowers here because I really like the gold of this. Now I don't know that that adds much to it, but it was fun to do, so I kept it. I added a couple of photo mats here. This is open, so you can still add your photo, and there is room here to journal and add a smaller photo here. I did use some of those puffy stickers that says super sweet for the inside cover. This page, just bright color flowers, added a couple of photo mats, added some photo mats to the pockets. This is chipboard, puffy sticker, just whatever I had in my stash that I could use, I used. Fun. Again, it's bright colors. So this I replicated this one to make a fun photo mat. I have plain white on the back. I just thought it would be fun to add something with some character to there. This is a chipboard element, just different things from different pieces of ephemera. Yeah, room to write here, room to add photos there, and lots of fun elements from different ephemera. Here we've got another pocket page. You can add photos to the back. That's good for 4x6 photos. I added some small photo mats here. You could just cover the butterflies, but I thought it would be nice to put something on the page before you add your photos to it. And even if your photos are the size of this, you can still have the orange and the pink as the outer dimensions of the photo mats. This was just a fun element from the sticker sheet I put a butterfly on. Some tags I made with some leftover scraps. That is a chipboard element, and so is this. I just glued it on its side so you could still add photos to the page. It's a fun little hotel key. Room to put a couple of photos here. That's that wasn't from the, that was from a chipboard ephemera pack that I had purchased. So is that. But this was one of the first times I got a lot of ephemera to go with the collection, and there was so much I almost didn't know what to do with it. This is not just a photo mat, but it's a little folder to add your 4x6 pictures. That is from the puffy sticker sheet. I had this in my stash for a while, and I just thought it would be fun to put in here just because it's nice and bright and green. And goes, this was a patchwork page. You put a piece of photo on here, and it's really going to add some pizzazz to it. Some puffy stickers. I just loved this page, and this is the coordinating page, but I added a photo mat to it. Again, lots of bright colors. Loved these travel stamps, and I found a cut apart in my stash and added it to that. Here I just was using smaller scraps. This was part of the border strip on that paper. I just thought it was fun to add and put there. This was a sticker sheet on the back, but there's room to put your photos. And again, you can add these 4x9 travel brochures to the pages, and that would be a great way of remembering where you went on your trip. A couple more pages. Magic Weekend. They were two separate words that went with the collection, or the puffy sticker sheet. I just thought it would be fun to put on 2 pages. That is a chipboard element. I fussy cut some of these suitcases that were on one of the pages and just added them in. Added a couple of tags to the pockets. Another photo mat for that pocket. A chipboard element there. Yeah, that definitely came from a different collection, but it was perfect for this. And here we go. This is open, so you can add your photo to the page. And then here I used that library style closure that I like to use and have a nice pocket in the back. I just added one piece of paper, one of the bigger pieces I had left over from the collection. And this is a accordion pocket, so you can add a lot to this accordion pocket. I mean, it really opens up a lot. There's the back page, just added some fun paper. There we go to the side. And there we go. So that is using almost all that's left over of my 12 by 12 sheets from the Adventurous collection from Paige Evans. This is part of my paper stash smash, where I'm trying to use things in my stash instead of going out and buying stuff. Of course, yes, I did go out and buy this when I saw the vault sale, but I'm done buying for, I think, the end of the year, with the exception of Halloween. So I'll see if I can use everything in my stash, and I'll keep you updated as to what I made with things from my stash. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, hit that like button. And if you're not a subscriber, go ahead and subscribe. I'd love to see you come around. Thanks so much again, and have a fabulous day.